Good morning. Today we will study about data and information. As we have studied in earlier classes, computer needs input to work. When you break the word input, you will get in and put. So data is any fact or figure that we input into the computer. Data is represented with the help of characters like alphabets A to Z or a small a to Z, digits from 0 to 9, or the special characters like plus, minus, equal to, multiplication, greater than, smaller than, etc. Next is information. What is information? Once you give the data and computer works on that data, we get the output or the meaningful result. That is called information. Information is the processed data on which decisions and actions are based. Or when the data is processed, we get a meaningful result, that is information. For taking any decision, a meaningful information must be timely, that is we should get it whenever required, accurate and complete. We should always have a complete information for taking any decision. Now, for example, suppose a teacher has to prepare your result. She wants to find percentage and rank. So first she will type the marks or the data, that is she will give the input. Then the computer works on the instructions and then it gives the output, means final percentage and ranks. This is the information. So now, what's the difference between data and information? Data is the input that we give. Information is the output that we get. Data is unprocessed facts and figures. Information is processed data. Data does not carry a meaning. Information must carry a logical meaning. Data is a single unit. Information is a group of data. Data is the raw material. Information is the product. Data does not depend on information, but the information depends on data. Now, as we know, whatever data or information is there, that is saved in the computer. But how? It is saved is in the memory. Now, memory unit is the amount of data that can be stored in a storage devices. Storage devices like, as we have studied earlier, pen drive, CD. So, all the data that is stored is in form of bits and bytes. It is expressed in the terms of bytes. Main units, bit or the binary digit. It is expressed as 0 or an active state, that is 1. Next is nibble. 4 bits make a nibble. Then byte. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. Then word. A word is a group of fixed number of bits processed. A computer stores information in form of words that may be as small as 8 bits to 96 bits. We have some higher storage units as well, like 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes, 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabytes, 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes, 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabytes, 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 exabytes, and so on. There are many other units that we use to store the information in our storage devices. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.